Welcome to part one of renovating our camper, and I want y'all to take a good look at the before because we really about to transform this entire thing. So we got her on Marketplace, and yes, she was pretty clean, but you know, she wasn't all that clean like the owner said that she was. So the first thing I had to do was just wipe everything down and clean everything out, and they also left a whole bunch of stuff inside the camper, and I was not keeping any of that stuff anyway. Like, that's all gonna be trash. We're getting new kitchenware. But the first thing that I really did was remove all of the cabinet doors, sand them down, and then I did start painting. I didn't get too many videos because I'm actually making a longer renovation video on my YouTube channel. So if you guys want to go check that out, just click the link in my bio and go subscribe. Stay tuned. We wanted to brighten everything up by painting the brown cabinets this off-white color. It's actually called Maybe Mushroom. I thought it was very fitting. But anyway, Gio is just getting some of the areas that I couldn't reach. And like I said, y'all, we were focused on getting things clean and starting with that kitchen area. Gio also had to caulk the entire outside of the whole camper and do the windows and everything. Follow for part two and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys want to watch the whole entire camper renovation process.